have here Marnie Lampa, our representative for Caballero Universal. Hello, Marnie.
Hello po.
Yeah, how does it feel now na ito ang iyong sashing moment? And now, in a few weeks' time, that will be already competing to Venezuela for a international competition.
You know, for me, it's very overwhelmed since I got this slot. Because before, I don't know what next, and great man. And you know, I'm thankful to Miss Shandy and Sir Neil. They've been trusting me for this to, you know, to represent the Philippines in Venezuela. And I'm gonna do all my best to make the Filipino proud.
The product of Tarlac, which is a powerhouse of mga pageanteros and pageanteras. Nasa iyo naman ang body, you have that face, and you have it all Filipino. Ano ang chances mo of winning now the Caballero Universal? What do you think are your chances of?
Siguro po, since you said that I have the looks, I have the body, or I have, you know, maybe the reason that to win the crown is about my personality, because you know, Caballero is about gentleman and how you are chivalry, and how you respect or how you treat each and everyone. Siguro I'm gonna do it by showing my personality.
So you're talking about that Caballero Universal is not only a pageant, yes, competing with the body and the face and talino. It's all about personality. So they are looking for may taong may personalidad.
Yes. Yes po, that's right.
Anong personalidad ang meron ka na kaya mong talunin yung mga, lalo na yung mga Latinos out there? Kasi diba, iba yung personality ng mga yan, medyo malalaka. So, what's that personality of yours na kailangan mo silang maitaob?
The personality is about the respect. It's not about the respect and outside. It's about it. It's good when it comes with the heart, you know. Because there is a lot of people that they show respect, but they didn't mean it. So it's better if you respect that comes with your heart. So maybe siguro yun po ang kaya ko pakita, because when I respect people and how I treat people, it comes with my heart.
So yung may puso ng tunay na Pilipino, di ba? Ayan si Marnie. We talked about kanina about loyalty,
yes,
patience, and determination. Sa palagay mo, ano ang kailangang personalidad na idagdag mo para talagang suwak na ang iyong pagkapanalo sa Caballero Universal?
Siguro po is, kanina nasabi ko is about respect. So maybe I can add is your attitude also.
Yeah, right.
You know, no lates. You need to be punctual. You need to be very active in each event. Because if you're being attitude, kasi lalo na po sa pageant ngayon, tinitingnan nila is kung talagang desidido ka. Kasi kung desidido ka, kaya mo.
Maraming salamat, Marnie Lampa. Congratulations in advance, and sana ay makuha mo ang corona para sa ating Caballero Universal at maibalik at maidala mo dito sa atin ang karangalan at corona. Maraming salamat, Marnie.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.